I do. Having another break from the stove. I recently got this because it was a nice price. It's also extremely heavy, so I need to make a stand for it. So I'm gonna get that, weld bits of that to that on the bottom and the top, and then I'm going to bolt that to that. But first I'm going to strip, clean, patch up, paint it, oil it, whatever I need to do, stick it back together, because it's not going anywhere or doing anything. So we'll get stuck into that for now, and well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, first couple of cuts. That's why I wear PPE. Crack on. Right, that's the 4 bits cut to size. So I want it mounted roughly like that, but right angles mostly. So I just need to, probably gonna have to sort of cut a little bit out there and there, just so I can get it in a bit closer. Prep all the areas for welding, then get stuck in. It's going to look like, well, I suppose a big table base then, isn't it? Right. That's them welded together mostly. I might go inside and do it with a stick because I couldn't get the MIG in. So some nice welds and some not so nice welds, but it's not going to fall apart. So I think I'm going to weld the underneath and then call it a day. I do. It's tomorrow now. So I've got, no, move that out of the way. I've got the base done. I have a feeling that these end bits, I'm going to end up tripping over them. So I might trim it off a little bit. But I'll see how I go. So this was already the size. So I've got the last of that bit of angle iron cut up. So these ones are gonna fit on like so, and the slightly longer ones are gonna fit on, if I can get the camera right, like so, because the base is oval shaped. What I need to do is do a little cutout for that thing there, and then cutouts for the bolts as well. Or I might just weld a bolt on. I don't know. I'll decide when I do it. So let's get these dressed, ready to weld onto there. Right then, a little bit of progress. That's them welded on. I did my usual, some nice welds and some ugly welds. I had half a tin of paint left, so I've used that up. So now I'm going to strip that down and see if we can sit it on and see what it looks like. Well, another one bites the dust. Bollocks. I paid an entire £5 for that. Shite. Yeah, I didn't want to finish cleaning the thing up anyway. Big useless twatting bell end thing. Back in action, my father's grinder. wonder. Right, stop and had some dinner. Right, I've got this mostly stripped down, cleaned up, which wasn't a pain in the arse at all. I couldn't get this bit off because that pain in the arse, bell end, dickhead, pain in the bollocks screw would not come loose, and neither would that one, so it can bloody stay there. So I've scraped all the crap out in there. It's had a good spray of the poor man's version of WD-40. Everything moves freely now. Still a little bit of crud there, but I'm going to get some shiny new oil to go in. Not that oil shiny, but you know what I mean. I was going to paint it, but what I think I'm going to do, I'll give it one last quick wire brush here and there, then I'm going to get some clear lacquer on it. And then part of the reason is, if you can make it out, I found all numbers and stuff for working out the positions of the stars, and like it's Stonehenge. So quick wipe down, last clean up, lacquer, put it back together. Are you Sauron? Not quite. Go. Let's try and fit in a little action shot. I'll do for now. So it's gonna take bloody forever. Hold on. That's better. Right, let's stick the other one in. I'm having difficulty fitting it in the hole. Oh, no, I got it. Hey, it's hard work tightening your nuts one-handed. Hang on. Now I can't hold it. That was a pain in the arse to get loose, that one. That'll do. Right. That works. Right. What am I missing? Oh, I've got to put that little shim thing in. So that fits in there and matches up there. So, oh, yeah, come on, cameraman. So knock that in. Actually, I think I'll grease it first. Oh, this one I did business, hold on. Right, after faffing on for a bit, I couldn't remember where I got up to. But, right, I've got the base lacquered, got some new bolts, got these in. So, let's get some oil in. Yeah, it's a right-handed oil can. That's why I'm struggling a bit. Just had to turn it round a bit. That's it. Right. So the heavy bit is actually the top. So which way are the bolts going? They're going that way. So if I put that there, that there, I'll stick you on pause and we'll see if we can see the big moment. Right, here goes nothing. Bloody hell. That was heavy. Right, washers, nuts. Get it, damn it. And here we go. Ta-da! Oh, the forge is in the way, but you see where I'm coming from. Right. That's actually still quite stiff. Oh, that's extra movie. I wasn't doing that before. Oh. Oh, whose stupid idea was that to lubricate it? I think I'll have to get a drill attachment. That'll speed it up. Oh. Yeah, that's still not for sissies like. Again, a little bit easier now. about as far as that's going, but right, that's mostly there. Right, hold on. Right, so from, well, that was just a rusty bit of angle iron. That was a bit of I-beam. This was a rusty seized sort of big pillar drill vice, milling vice thing. It's now honestly not seized, but bloody heavy. That's now functioning, shiny. Quite pleased with that. I'll probably trim that bit off and that bit off. I have actually been tripping over them, so I might just take the top bit of the angle iron off. And I was going to paint the bottom bits yellow so they'll actually stand out a bit more. So yellow is a bit of a lass's colour, but you know, that doesn't count if you think it's for high vis purposes or if you're going for a Lego sort of vibe. So that means I can use yellow and not be soft. So job done. I think I'll do something else now. See you in a bit.